Have you ever noticed how your eyes and memory don't quite behave the same way after 60? Maybe you wake up, and for those first 10 minutes, the world looks a little blurry. Or perhaps you walk into a room, pause, and suddenly realize you've forgotten why you went there in the first place. Maybe your eyes start to burn after just a few minutes of looking at your phone or reading a book. These changes can feel frustrating. Sometimes they can even feel a little scary. But here is the truth that most seniors never hear. This isn't just aging. It is an inevitable decline. In fact, studies have shown that over 90% of adults over 65 are missing at least one essential nutrient that their eyes and brain need to repair themselves. And here is the key: this repair happens at night, while you sleep. That means millions of seniors go to bed every night without the raw materials, their body's desperate need to restore memory pathways, refresh the retina, and clear out inflammation. No wonder thinking feels slower. No wonder vision feels weaker. But there is good news. Your brain and your eyes are still capable of healing if you give them the right support. Today on Senior Prime Life, we are going to do that in the simplest way possible. We are looking at 4 powerful, natural juices that help restore memory, sharpen focus, and support clearer vision. No complex chemicals, just whole foods, blended the right way, taken at the right time. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin to nourish your body. Juice number 1, carrot juice. The morning recharger. If there is one juice that seniors seriously underestimate, it is carrot juice. Most of us know carrots are good for the eyes, but we often don't realize why. Carrot juice is one of the only natural drinks that directly nourishes both your retina and the memory center of your brain. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene. Your body gently converts this into vitamin A. Vitamin A protects the retina, specifically the cells that help you see in dim light. If you struggle with night blindness or driving in the dark, your body is likely craving vitamin A. But it goes deeper. This juice contains lutein and zeaxanthin. Think of these as internal sunglasses. They settle in your eyes to filter out harmful blue light and reduce the oxidative stress that causes vision to fade. And for the brain, a compound in carrots called falcarinol helps reduce inflammation in brain tissue. This helps clear that mental fog and improves communication between brain cells. How to drink it? Because these nutrients are fat-soluble, your body needs a little help absorbing them. Juice 2 to 3 medium carrots in the morning. Drink this with your breakfast, perhaps with some eggs, avocado, or a handful of walnuts. That healthy fat ensures the nutrients go exactly where they are needed. Juice number 2, beet juice. The circulation supercharger. If carrot juice provides the fuel, beet juice is the delivery truck. Many seniors never connect poor memory or blurry vision with circulation. But your eyes and brain cannot repair themselves without strong, oxygen-rich blood flow. Beets are loaded with dietary nitrates. When you drink beet juice, your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide. This molecule relaxes and widens your blood vessels. The result: a gentle rush of oxygen reaches the brain and the tiny, delicate vessels in your eyes. Studies have shown that seniors who consume beet juice see improvements in blood flow to the frontal lobe, the area responsible for focus and decision-making. It helps clear away the afternoon slump. How to drink it? This juice works fast, often within 30 minutes. The best time to drink it is between 2:00 and 4:00 p.m. This is when circulation naturally dips and we feel tired. Juice 1 medium raw beet. You can add half an apple to sweeten the taste. Drink it fresh, and if you can, take a gentle 10-minute walk afterward to help that oxygen circulate even better. Juice number 3, blueberry juice. The nighttime rebuilder. Some juices protect, but blueberry juice rebuilds. Blueberries are unique because they contain compounds called anthocyanins. These deep purple antioxidants have the rare ability to cross the blood-brain barrier. Once there, they don't just reduce inflammation, they stimulate neurogenesis. That is the creation of new brain cells. Yes, your brain can grow new cells even after 60. Research suggests that blueberry juice helps the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for memory, recover from stress. It also protects the nerves in your eyes that transmit images to the brain. This is the drink for anyone who feels like words are always on the tip of their tongue, or for those whose vision feels dull or washed out. How to drink it. This is your evening ritual. Drink this about 90 minutes before bed. Why? Because your brain's deepest repair cycle happens while you sleep. Blend 1 cup of wild blueberries, fresh or frozen, with a splash of water or half a banana. Sip it slowly. Let it work quietly while you rest, repairing the damage of the day. Juice number 4, spinach juice. The green restorer. Finally, we have the juice that often surprises people, spinach juice. While the other juices sharpen and circulate, spinach juice provides the raw building blocks for your cells. Spinach is packed with high concentrations of lutein and zeaxanthin, which settle directly in the macula of your eye. This is the part of the eye responsible for seeing fine details, like reading a menu or threading a needle. As we age, these pigments fade, leaving our eyes vulnerable. Spinach juice restores them. For the brain, spinach provides folate and vitamin K. These are essential for the speed of your thinking. When folate is low, we feel slow, foggy, and forgetful. Restoring it can feel like waking up inside your own mind again. A gentle caution: spinach contains oxalates. If you have a history of kidney stones, consult your doctor or use this juice sparingly. How to drink it. The best time for this green elixir is mid-morning. Take a large handful of fresh spinach and juice it with a cucumber or a green apple for flavor. A squeeze of lemon will help your body absorb the iron and keep the taste fresh. Let's put it all together. You don't have to complicate your life. Here is a simple rhythm you can follow to support your senior prime life. Morning, start with carrot juice with your breakfast. It wakes up your retina and prepares you for the day. Mid-morning, have a small glass of spinach juice. It feeds your brain the folate it needs for sharp thinking. Afternoon, when your energy dips around 2:00 p.m., have your beet juice. It opens your blood vessels and brings oxygen to your tired eyes. Evening, 90 minutes before sleep, enjoy your blueberry juice. It prepares your memory pathways for deep repair during the night. Conclusion. If you are still listening, that tells me something important about you. You are not someone who has accepted decline as simply part of aging. You are someone who believes that your body can still respond, still repair, and still improve. And you are right. Your brain and your vision have not stopped working. They have simply been waiting for the right support. I have seen seniors in their 60s, 70s, and 80s feel mentally sharper and see more clearly, not because of a magic pill, but because they finally gave their bodies what they were missing. So, if today is the day you decide to try just one of these juices, then you have already taken the most important step. Momentum begins with a single choice. Your best years do not end at 60. With the right care, they often begin again. If this helped you, please take a moment to like this video. It helps our senior prime life community reach more people who need this message. And tell me in the comments below, which juice will you start with? The carrot, the beet, the blueberry, or the spinach? I would love to hear your choice. Subscribe so you never miss a tip on staying strong and vibrant. Thank you for spending your time with us. This is Senior Prime Life, helping you stay strong, stay clear, and stay hopeful at every age.